Hey everybody, I just got this new gardening saw in here and I just wanted to show you guys a little bit about it really quick as well as some videos of me using it. I did already break it out and it is very nice to use. It cuts through stuff very well. So here's the blade here. It's got a nice little protector on there you can use if you're not using it, just to keep you safe and everything. As you can see, it's a nice looking blade. It's got some very serrated edges on there, so it has no problem going through, even like small branches I was using it on, and it's perfect for bushes. You need like one swipe and it'll take care of whatever you have on your bush. So whenever it shows up, you're gonna have this sheath right here as well as your blade and your handle. So to connect the two, you're just gonna pick up on that little lever right there and pull it all the way open like that. And then you will take your blade and then you will rock it in just like that, and then it should come up, and then you can close that, and now your blade is locked in pretty solid. It's not going to go anywhere. And so this is also made out of stainless steel, so it's pretty solid, and it's got like a really nice hardened plastic grip on there. It's very ergonomic, and I love how large the grip is, so you can really get a good grip on it if you're kind of trying to tackle something a little bit bigger. And just if you're using it all day, it's kind of nice to have a good grip on there. Otherwise, your hand starts to hurt and get tired. So we'll go on ahead and I'll show you guys some videos of me using it, and you can see how effective it really is. I hope you guys enjoy.